Hi, my name is Thomas. I work at King Light GMB. On this episode, how we make it, we're going to show you how to inspect before we ship them out to the customer. This will be a 12-inch caliber. This is what we typically measure for the smaller parts. This is just one of the calibers that we have. And then right here, we have the 40-inch caliber. This is for a medium-sized part for measuring. For most companies, a 12-inch caliber is all they really use, and that's standard. But for King Light GMB, we got something else. We're using a lot bigger caliber, 84 inches and up caliber for our products. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is inspecting the ID on this part. So for the ID, it's gonna be for the inner dimension. $25.74. So now I'm gonna be demonstrating for the demonstration for the OD. That's for the outer dimension. $27.32 for the OD. For all your vacuum chambers needs, don't hesitate to call King Light GMB. We'll handle you guys with care. Stay tuned for the next episode.